Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsey. Today I'm excited to share with you my second alternative card using the September 2023 paper pumpkin kit called With Love and Gratitude. This beautiful kit creates 8 handmade gift cards and bags with, of course, a coordinating envelope. These are the intended projects that you can make with the kit. Each month, I take the contents from the paper pumpkin kits and make alternative projects. Today, I'm sharing with you this quick and simple card idea. I love simple and elegant cards, and this one is perfect. Don't miss out on next month's kit. It is a Christmas-themed kit with everything you need to make 8 sparkly and dazzling cards with coordinating envelopes. The sneak peek looks so fun. Make sure to subscribe by October 10th using the link in the description box below. If you are new to my channel and would like to continue to see all of my paper pumpkin alternatives, make sure to subscribe using the link in the bottom right corner. So yesterday we made a beautiful, simple card that used the front of the box to create a banner shape on our card. Today we're going to be using the back piece. So this was the bottom piece that came from that banner, and this was the side piece. So we're going to still use those on a future project, so make sure to keep those. But this is the piece we're going to use for the front of our card base here. So you can see how we've got that back with that beautiful kind of canvas texture. So we want to cut this. So this is 5.5 inches all the way down. So we're going to cut first at 4 inches. So place that larger section on your paper trimmer, and the solid line here with the flaps are on the right. So the solid line's on the left, flaps on the right. Measure at 4 inches and cut, and then rotate and measure to 5.25 inches and cut. And then this is the piece that we're going to use on our card. However, because I want to maximize this paper, I am going to cut out the center. So the center here is being covered by the piece of the coordinating envelope. So if we want to save our paper, we can cut out a shape. And I'm going to do this with about 1 inch border all the way around. So to do that, line up your right side on the 1 inch. Place your paper trimmer in the middle of your paper and press down and cut up to 1 inch and down to 4.25 inches, and then lift, rotate to do the same thing, 1 inch cut up and down to 3 inches, rotate, cut up, and then down up to 1, down to 4.25, and then this last one we can cut from the top line to the bottom line. And it's okay if it goes a little bit beyond, because we're going to be covering that up with our pattern paper. Go ahead and place this smaller piece back with our other scraps from our box. Then you're going to take the coordinating envelope from the kit, and we're going to open this up so that we can use that beautiful pattern paper as our focal point. So to do this, I like to just remove a little section all the way along the envelope. And we're going to just throw this piece away. There's really no need to keep it. And we're going to use this beautiful pattern paper here. And I want to cut this just a little larger than the opening that we cut here. So this opening is 2 inches by 3.5 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this. Let's see, let's go to 2.5 inches. Whatever your length is here, that's totally fine. We're going to measure across to 2.5 inches. And then go ahead and save this, of course, for another project. So this is what's going to be in the middle of our card, like that. For this card, I want to use a card base of Crumb Cake cardstock. I'm going to add the frame just with some liquid glue or double-sided adhesive. Place that on the front with the even border all the way around. Make sure to smooth that out so that your liquid glue doesn't warp your paper. For the centerpiece, I do want to pop that up with dimensionals. So you can use dimensionals that came in the kit, or if you have any leftover edge pieces. Here's some little minis I have from a past kit. Any size really will work. Whoop. And this is going to go right in the center over that opening. Just like that. I love how simple this card is. For the greeting, I want to use one of the banners that came in the kit. And I'm just going to stamp "Grateful for You" in copper clay. You can use any neutral color here. I kind of like how the copper clay plays with that reddish branch color on the pattern paper. So go ahead and line that up in the center. It's going to look something like this. I'm going to add some dimensionals to the back and then place that just slightly off near the bottom. And then the last thing I want to do are add some of these neutral adhesive backed sequins. And you can choose any color. I like to just play with that little hint of gold that is on the banner. And I'm just going to add 2 sequins here, a small one and a large one near the greeting. Just like that. And your card is all done. I love how quick and simple this card is, and I hope you enjoyed watching me create it. If you're interested in getting your own Paper Pumpkin subscription, please use the link in the description box below to subscribe. If you would like to see written instructions or close-up images on how I created this card, you can visit my blog, creativechelsey.com. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.